With the launch of one of the country's largest streetlight modernization initiatives in 2017, the Chicago Smart Lighting Program ushered the city into a new era of reliability, safety, sustainability, and productivity.
After 4 years of hard work, 85% of Chicago's streets, alleys, and viaducts have been updated to the new LED fixtures. Our city prides itself on pushing innovative boundaries, and by upgrading our lighting infrastructure, we've been able to greatly improve our residents' quality of life in a multitude of ways. This program has emphasized the value of public safety by selecting lights that enhance nighttime visibility and last 2 to 3 times longer than the old fixtures. The Chicago Smart Lighting Program has now set the standard for smart technology projects within our city, as well as streetlight modernization programs throughout the country.
With the installation of the new LED lights, one of the largest lighting control and management systems in the country was rolled out. The new smart lighting management system accounts for all new light fixtures, and the new technology connects these lights to a large network, helping the city to monitor and address maintenance issues.
We're able to identify the parts of the city that need the most work in terms of our lighting network, and that is data that is coming directly from the nodes that we've spent the last couple of years installing.
In the past, we had to wait for somebody to call 311, then we'd send somebody out to survey it, and then we'll dispatch a crew to make the repairs. Now a ticket will come in, we can actually do surveying work on the computer, on our network, to see what the issue is before we dispatch a crew, which reduces time.
Traveling in Chicago at night poses a higher risk than during the day. Upgrading Chicago's lights improved visibility and visual clarity for people on the roadway and sidewalks.
Safety-wise, this is a more brighter, sharper light, which increased visibility at nighttime.
When the program began in 2016, the city implemented a plan to identify and prioritize areas where public safety needs were the greatest. Priority areas were chosen on the south and west sides of the city. The new LEDs also last longer, ensuring reliability and keeping our streets well lit at all times of the night.
These fixtures are set to last 10 years. That reduces the number of times we have to roll crews through these fixtures for replacement. Compared to the old fixtures, we have to go out and replace bulbs more often.
Chicago has continuously pledged to support environmental and sustainability goals through various initiatives and actions. The city's recent progress came through the Chicago Smart Lighting Program with the installation of new LED lights, which consume less electricity than the older high-pressure sodium fixtures. Along with reducing the city's carbon footprint, bringing utility cost savings to Chicagoans was a cornerstone of the program.
Over the next 10 years, that'll translate into about $100 million of savings. Also importantly, the new technology that we've installed will allow the city to qualify for about $35 million in energy efficiency rebates and incentives from Commonwealth Edison.
Our ability to view the night sky has been diminished over time due to vast light pollution emitted from its street lights.
The problem was the way the light was shielded, or where it was directed. If it's a street light, it should be light in the street. In the case of those old high-pressure sodium lights, they shine to the side, in people's bedroom windows. That light would just be wasted and shining out into the sky as light pollution.
With the updated design of the new fixtures, light will now point downward towards the streets and sidewalks where it is needed. From the introduction of the program, creating jobs and building skills that would last a lifetime for Chicago's residents was a top priority.
The city set aggressive goals of 26% and 6% for minority and women-owned businesses. There were also aggressive goals for targets within the city Chicago residents. So a 50% goal of everyone working on the project needed to live within the city limits. There was also another goal of 10% for residents within a few specific economically disadvantaged neighborhoods. One final thing, and a cornerstone of this project, was doing assembly for almost half the fixtures on the project within the city of Chicago, over on the west side in the Austin neighborhood. That has been a huge success and one that we're trying to replicate around the country.
The skills learned by program staff will be carried forward into other manufacturing, assembling, and electrical engineering positions within the city.
The CSLP has created opportunities for not just organizations, but our staff as well. World-class organizations have seen the success of the CSLP and made the decision to invest in the community and our staff to do local assembly as a means to create jobs and transform communities.
By promoting Chicago's workforce, the program has helped facilitate the growth of our city's businesses.
Like any big change, it's a lot of hands pulling on the same rope in the same direction. And we have had so many partners, whether it's the team right here at CDOT that has seen this project from an idea all the way through completion, our consultant partners, our program managers, our material suppliers, the folks who are making the products and installing the products, our team that is repairing the system every day out in the field. We have so many people to thank, and especially communities that have come along this journey with us, and we hope that they'll reap the benefits of this program, and that we thank the citizens of Chicago for all the support as we've rolled out what will be a legacy of improvements for every neighborhood across our fine city.
Chicago Smart Lighting Program. See Chicago in a whole new light.